Hey guys, it's Zaparoli here again, and today we're going to be answering some questions on the Click community. So let's go! Well guys, here's the Click community. The Click community is a great way for you to improve your ClickSense skills. So let's get some questions here that we can answer. Well, the first question here is by Footy123. Chart properties, how to copy over the same color format. Hello experts, I'm trying to copy over the same color coding using a line chart to another chart in a different dashboard. Is that possible? Yes, it is, my friend. So basically you want to know the color code of a variable. That's very simple. So let's do this. So guys, for starters, let's replicate the same scenario our friend here has. So let's create a variable here on the script called set v agency color. And that's equals a hash c3, 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 which is a gray color, by the way. And okay. And let's load the data so we can work with this variable here. All right. And now there are two ways that we can see the variable's value. So the first one is right down here. In this button right here, we can see the value of the variables. So here we have the variable values right here. So we can simply access this and see the value he wants. Or maybe he doesn't have access to this either. I don't know. We can put this in a KPI object. And let's put the variable here. V agency color. But since this is a string, guys, we have to put this under single quotes. So let's go. 1, 2. Then. And guys, that's how you find the values of a variable in ClickSense. So let's answer our friend. The next question is made by Hitomishira01. So our friend here wants to change the orders of bars. Submitted, under review, and in progress. There are quite a few ways to do this, so let's do it. Okay guys, this question is very good because you have some ways to make a custom sorting of your dimensions. So let's see how I can solve this. First things first, I have made the loading line here for testing purpose with the categories, submitted in progress and under review, with some values here for example, so we can plot a bar chart. So let's load the data and let's go here. So let's mark the sort by expression here, and we are going to use the match function. The match function will return a numerical value based on the dimensions that we pass. So here's the syntax on the screen, and let's do it. So first we specify the match, all right. Then we use the dimension that we wanna, okay. Then we pass the order that you wanna show, ascending or descending, doesn't matter, we can select it later. So let's do ascending here. So the first one is submitted, okay. Single quotes, okay, comma. Under review, okay, under review. And in progress. Progress, okay. Then we close this here and let's see what happens. Apply. Whoa. So our order has changed based on what we put here. So guys, this is one of many ways that we can sort the dimension. This is a quick solution that you can do in the front end, so I kind of prefer this way. So let's answer our friend. Guys, I hope you liked the video because I had lots of fun doing it. So like the video please, subscribe to the channel if you are not, and please leave me a comment if you want more videos like this. Zaparoli out!